It's important to understand the differences between refugees, migrants, asylum seekers, and internally displaced persons, as large-scale migrations are common in humanitarian operations. Migrants are people who move from one place to another, usually in search of work or better opportunities. IDPs are those who are forced to leave their homes due to violence or disasters, but remain within their own country. In contrast, when people cross an international border to escape persecution, they are considered refugees. Asylum seekers are those who have left their country and are seeking protection in another country, but have not yet been legally recognized as refugees. Legally, each group has different rights and protections under international law. However, from a humanitarian perspective, all of them might need protection and assistance, regardless of their legal status. Refugee status determination is the legal and administrative process through which a person is recognized as a refugee under national or international law. This process involves several steps. The applicant submits a request for protection, provides personal information, and participates in an in-depth interview to explain their reasons for fleeing and presents evidence of persecution or danger. Each case is evaluated individually, considering the applicant's credibility, risk of harm, and applicable laws and conventions. This review can take months or even years due to the detailed examination required, fact verification, and potential appeals if the initial decision is negative. To speed up the process, the prima facie approach allows for a quicker determination of refugee status based on predefined conditions related to a country or specific crisis. This means that someone may be granted refugee status simply for being from a particular country, even without facing direct threats. In contrast, others who are facing real danger might not receive this protection for similar reasons. While states and the UNHCR use this approach, humanitarian organizations must focus on the actual conditions and needs of people on the ground. Understanding these distinctions helps humanitarian workers design more effective projects that are tailored to real circumstances and specific groups. But, in the end, the guiding principle should always be the humanitarian need, not just the legal status.